What's up guys, today I'll be working on this Toyota Alphard. It's a 2008 8-seater Alphard, and I'm gonna be performing a rear shock replacement. Now you guys already know what Alphard is, and if you guys don't know what Alphard is, this is what it is. There you go. So I'll go ahead and lift the vehicle up on this side, and I'll remove the wheel. Alright, so we're gonna open the back tailgate, and we're gonna get in here. Get yourself one of these flathead, pry that up, pull it out, pull that out. This is a 17 mil bolt or nut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a 6 mil hex, and I have a ratcheting wrench to counter it. This will loosen the nut, and this this will counter it. 17 mil ratcheting wrench, 6 mil hex. Remove this, and a nut. Let's go down below. 17 mil socket. Socket. Alright guys, so pay attention. This is the part number right here. Remove this part of the old chocks. New shock comes, new hardwares. This will go on top. Okay, compress it a little bit, put it in there, put it in the hole. the old one. This is the new one. That's how it looks like. And the new nut. Yep. So this is the reason why I'm changing this, because it has leaked, and as you guys can see, this rod is not coming back up. It's supposed to come back up when you compress it. It should come up. It's only coming up this much. It should come up all the way. Evidence right here that the fluid has leaked out, so that's why it's not coming up. So that's why I changed both sides. This was the right side, and the left side still okay. This one's still hard, but it's not coming back up. It's coming back up slowly, but very slow. Alright, so that's the reason why I changed it, guys. Alright guys, so if this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, have a good day.